Hi everyone, so for today's video, in honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, I am going to be doing a full face of Rare Beauty. Starting off with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. Then for the rest of my face, I'm going to be putting the Rare Beauty Foundation in the shade 240. For concealer, the shade 210N. Again, same formula with the foundation, very lightweight and medium coverage. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the shade Always Sunny, and with this I just put in the brush and then slowly start circling in. A little bit also on my nose. So for eyebrows, the Brow Harmony in deep brown. Her products are so easy to use. Anyone can literally do their makeup flawlessly and easily. For the eyes, I would put a little bit of bronzer and the nearly neutral liquid eyeshadow just because I'm going to be doing a red lip, so I don't want it too overwhelming when it comes to the eyes. This eyeshadow, honestly, if you are in a rush, this is 1 out of 4, I believe. And I wish they would come out with more colors too, but I do love this shade for everyday. Okay, going back to the face, I am using the liquid blush in Bliss. I'm not going to be putting any eyeliner on, so I'm just going to curl my lashes and in the Rare Beauty mascara. Then to set my face a little bit, I'm going to be using the setting powder in Light. And then for highlight, the liquid luminizer in the shade Mesmerize. And then for the lips, the star of the show, the matte lip cream in Inspire. Love the shade range of their matte liquid lips. There are so many to choose from. This formula is super lightweight. It has this powdery finish. It stays on the lips for a long period of time. For the final step, I'm gonna be spraying myself with the Rare Beauty Always an Optimist 4-in-1 Mist. Alright, and that's how it looks like. Very glowy and natural with a pop of color. So yeah, follow me for more tips, tricks, reviews, and tutorials.